let's talk a little bit about lighting. You want to be sure you have a really good understanding of how your camera performs in various lighting situations. Now, a good rule of thumb when you're using any point and shoot camera, and this is what is built into your cell phone, is to be sure that the lighting source is behind the camera. If your lighting source happens to be in front of the camera, it's going to cause your camera to compensate in a way that's going to be unflattering to the subject that you're filming. Check this out. All right, so there's a light source behind me. If I spin around, you can see the difference. So you see, even with a camera phone, you can get a pretty good shot if you set your lighting up properly. And if you want to go for good quality on your subject, you want to make sure that the lighting is behind the camera, not in front of it.